part 5 of replying to your guys' comments. Okay, first one. Can I have a shout out, please? Of course you can. Shout this guy I'm written on the screen right now for subscribe to my channel and to comment to nearly all of my shorts. It means a lot that you are supporting my channel or hopefully making sure I hit 1k or 500. It really means a lot. But anyways, that's all. Like and comment